How to log into First National Bank online banking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into First National Bank online banking. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, simply search for First National Bank online banking on your web browser. Then you'll see the First National Bank website. You can head over there. It's fnb-online.com. And after you're here, you can simply log in. To log in, tap on the login button on the top right. Then you will see this login section where you can simply type in your user ID, whatever your user ID is, and then finally your password. Then tap on the login button to log in into your account. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.